Hello everyone, and welcome back to Atlantic Weather Jamaica. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, 2025, and we have a big update on what's happening in the Atlantic right now. There's a disturbance out there that's showing stronger signs of organization, and it could soon become our next named storm. We're also looking at another tropical wave behind it. Let's break it all down so you know exactly what's going on and who needs to watch closely. First up, the National Hurricane Center has been monitoring a system tagged Invest 92L. Right now, it's located about midway between the west coast of Africa and the Windward Islands. Over the last day or so, it has become noticeably better organized, with showers and thunderstorms building and holding steady. It's currently moving west-northwest at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Conditions in the Atlantic are quite favorable for strengthening. Sea surface temperatures are running above average. The system has plenty of moisture to work with, and wind shear is fairly low. All of that makes development more likely. As of the latest outlook, the National Hurricane Center gives Invest 92L about a 90% chance of development over the next 48 hours, and also a 90% chance over the next 7 days. That's very high, and it means we could be looking at a tropical depression or even Tropical Storm Gabrielle very soon. Now let's talk about model guidance. Forecast models are split, as they often are at this early stage. Some suggest the system could stay mostly out to sea, curving northward, while others keep it tracking westward a bit longer toward the Lesser Antilles. It's too early to pin down exact paths, but what we do know is that the system is likely to develop further in the short term. There's also a secondary tropical wave just off the coast of Africa. This one is less organized and slower moving, and the NHC gives it only about a 20% chance of development in the next 7 days. Still, it's another sign that the basin is active, as we are right in the heart of the hurricane season peak. Before I continue, hit follow, drop your island or parish in the comments, and share this update so more people stay informed. That's how we keep the community engaged and spread awareness during hurricane season. So what does this mean for the region? Right now, there is no immediate threat to land, but the Lesser Antilles and Puerto Rico, and eventually the wider Caribbean should monitor closely. Even if the system stays offshore, outer rain bands, swells, and rough seas could affect island communities. For fishermen and mariners especially, conditions could get tricky once this storm strengthens. This is also a reminder that in mid-September, systems can ramp up very quickly. Warm waters, moisture, and favorable winds mean a tropical storm can become a hurricane faster than expected. That's why it's so important to stay updated daily, not just every few days. This has been your Atlantic update for Tuesday, September 16th. Stay safe, stay weather-aware, and don't forget, subscribe right here on Atlantic Weather Jamaica for detailed breakdowns, maps, and track updates throughout the week. See you in the next one.